Let us see the prerequisites for installing Windows on your computer. If you are not sure if your PC meets the following criteria and it's already running Windows 10, you may use the PC Health Check app to see if it is compatible. Alternatively, you can contact your PC's original equipment manufacturer. Processor. The minimum requirement for processor is 1 GHz or faster with 2 or more core on a 64-bit compatible processor. RAM. RAM is 4 GB or more. Hard disk. Minimum hard disk capacity is 64 GB or more. Graphic card. Graphic card must be compatible with DirectX 12 or later or WDDM2 driver. Monitor. 720p high definition monitor that has a minimum 9-inch diagonal length with 8-bit color channel is required for running Windows 11.